Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be describing how to use a box plot diagram to find the averages and measure of spread. The averages, that is the median. For example, we have a question that is about a chemistry experiment where the volumes of gas are produced under different conditions, and the results are plotted in a box plot. Now the question requires us to read this box plot and determine the median value, the range, and the interquartile range. Now the skill required here, or what we need to remember, is the parts of the box plot mentioned earlier, but let me repeat them for emphasis. So we have the box plot is made up of a box and whiskers. The extreme ends, on the left hand side is the median. On the left hand side is the minimum value. On the right hand side, the extreme is the maximum value. Here we have the lower quartile. There is a line usually in the middle, which is the median, and it's not necessarily in the middle, but it's in between the lower and the upper quartile. And on the right hand side of the box is the upper quartile. Now when we look at our given box plot, we should be able to read and find the median, the range, and the interquartile range. So the median, which is Q2, is already given over there, so it's a matter of reading my graph, and that is 24 centimeters cubed. The range is given by the maximum value minus the minimum value. From our graph, our minimum value is 21 and our maximum value is 27. So our range is 27 minus 21, which is 6 centimeters cubed. And lastly, the interquartile range, which can be abbreviated as IQR, is Q3 minus Q1. Our Q3 is usually around here. Let me reduce the size. Our Q3 is that one, so it's about reading. Now because it's in between, it will be an estimate, and that is going to be at 24.5. so I have 24.5 minus my Q1 over there, which is at 23. So my Q1 is at 23, and the interquartile range becomes a 1.5 centimeters cubed. Now the skill here, or what you need to remember, is how to read a graph, basically given the scales, and also remember what the different parts of the box plot represent: the minimum value, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the maximum value.